Good day, this is Ricky Baton from BSHM 2D Evening, and for today's video, I am going to mix two international cocktails, namely Screwdriver and the Cuba Libre. So first, I am going to mix the Cuba Libre. So the ingredients for this drink is we have the white rum, cola, ice, lime wedge, and fresh lime juice. Music please. Box, pour over ice. Then add 5 cl of white rum. Then add 5 cl of cola. Then add 1 cl of fresh lime juice. Then drop a lime wedge. And this is the Cuba Libre build cocktail. And serve. So the next international cocktail is we have the Screwdriver. The ingredients for this drink is we have the vodka, orange juice, ice, and we also have the wheel orange with the use of highball glass. Music please. The rocks, pour over ice. So next, add the 5 cl of vodka. Then add 10 cl of orange juice. Five cl. And 5 cl. Garnish with orange. Then serve.